Hi everyone, for today's video, let me show you a floral trail. And this floral trail, actually, it's a flower festival. It's happening every year, usually just in time on Mother's Day. And it is located in the Bloor and Yorkville area, so it means this event is just only gonna be here until this weekend. So I suggest, if you want to check out this event, I suggest you have to come here during daylight time, because most of the display are located inside the building, and they are just open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you like flowers like me, for sure you will love this event. Thank you so much.